Tesla's full self-driving software includes speed profiles that let you customize how your vehicle behaves in autonomous mode. These profiles control acceleration, braking, lane changes, and speed to match your driving preferences. There are 5 speed profiles available: Sloth for maximum safety, Chill for relaxed driving, Standard as the balanced default, Hurry for efficient trips, and Mad Max for the most assertive option. To demonstrate the differences, watch how speed varies across profiles. Using dynamic tracking, we can see Sloth at a conservative pace, while Mad Max pushes the limits. Choosing the right profile depends on your needs. Sloth and Chill prioritize safety, Standard balances everything, while Hurry and Mad Max focus on speed. Always consider road conditions and local laws. You can change your FSD speed profile via the Tesla touchscreen. Navigate to Controls, then Autopilot, then Full Self-Driving, and finally Speed Profiles. Alternatively, you can make these changes using the Tesla mobile app. Open the app, navigate to the same menu path: Controls, Autopilot, Full Self-Driving, then Speed Profiles. Once in the Speed Profiles menu, select the profile you want to use from the available options: Sloth, Chill, Standard, Hurry, or Mad Max. The change takes effect immediately when Full Self-Driving is engaged. Remember, these profiles only affect autonomous operation, not manual driving. The Sloth profile is the most conservative option, prioritizing safety above all else. It maintains speeds 5 to 10 miles per hour below the posted limit, avoids hard braking, and emphasizes smooth handling. It's ideal for new FSD users, adverse weather conditions, or situations where maximum safety is paramount. The Chill profile offers a relaxed driving experience, increasing speeds up to 5 miles per hour over the Sloth profile. It focuses on comfortable, human-like driving patterns that feel natural to passengers. This profile reduces unnecessary lane changes to minimize stress and maintain a smoother ride. It also maintains a larger following distance behind other vehicles for enhanced safety margins. The Chill profile strikes a balance between safety and comfort, providing a more natural driving feel compared to the ultra-conservative Sloth mode while still prioritizing passenger well-being. The Standard profile is the default setting, designed to mimic the behavior of an average driver. It balances speed and caution, typically adhering closely to traffic flow while maintaining basic safety buffers. This is a good option for everyday driving in most situations. The Hurry profile aims for faster trips by accelerating quicker, taking tighter turns, and accepting slightly closer following distances. It's popular for highway commutes, allowing for more assertive driving to keep pace with traffic. However, be mindful of increased energy consumption. The Mad Max profile represents Tesla's most aggressive driving option, designed for enthusiasts who want maximum performance from their full self-driving experience. This profile significantly increases speed limits, allowing the vehicle to drive up to 10 to 15 miles per hour faster than the Standard profile in supported regions. Watch how the speed dynamically increases. Mad Max executes rapid maneuvers, including quick lane changes and assertive acceleration, making for a more dynamic driving experience. While intended for driving enthusiasts, Mad Max includes built-in safety overrides to prevent unsafe actions or traffic violations, ensuring responsible operation. Be aware that this profile may be restricted in certain regions due to local regulations, such as speed limits or safety standards. Always consider road conditions and legal requirements when selecting Mad Max for the best and safest experience. When using Tesla's FSD speed profiles, always choose one that suits your current driving conditions and comfort level. The system is designed with safety overrides to prevent risky maneuvers, regardless of your selection. Key considerations include prioritizing safety, ensuring your vehicle has the right hardware for optimal performance, and being aware of regional regulatory limits that may restrict certain profiles. Looking ahead, future trends include more personalized profiles that learn from your driving habits, stronger safety emphasis with defensive driving features, integration with navigation and weather data, and new options like eco profiles for battery efficiency. Experiment with different profiles to find what works best for your needs, but always prioritize safe and responsible use of FSD features. The system continues to evolve with AI learning and safety improvements.